Looks like I'm doing this. I fall like 3 times. I'm probably just waking up.
All right, occupants of 17 Reseda. Occupants of 17 Reseda. Apartment 3. Zeff Rocco. This is the Los Angeles Police Department. We have a search warrant for your location. Once again, apartment 3. Zeff Rocco. This is the LAPD. We have a search warrant for your location. I need you to come out and follow the directions of the officers outside. Do so now. Once again, apartment 3. Zeff Rocco. This is the LAPD. Come out with your hands up and surrender immediately. Do so now.
Is Royce in a position to hit his front door with a 40? Or are they...
No, we can. It's right around the corner.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah.
Hey, Zeff Rocco, that was us. It's LAPD. I need you to wake up, come out with your hands up, and surrender now. We have a search warrant. I need you to wake up, come out, and follow my directions, and surrender immediately. Once again, apartment 3, Zeff Rocco. We have a search warrant. Your apartment is surrounded. I need you to come out and surrender now.
Whoa. That's kind of slow. Alright, here's another one. Oh, that one went.
Yeah, that first one just got.
Well, that's good enough.
Oh, probably must have been on the other side.
Hey, he's climbing down. He's climbing down. Hey! Hey! Get back inside! Get back inside! He's got a gun. Don't reach for it! Don't reach for it! Let it go! Let it go! Let it go! Stop reaching for it! Stop reaching for it! Don't move!
Yeah, down in the dog park, not moving. And the gun is still over here in the hand.
Hey, he's climbing down. He's climbing down. Hey! Hey! Get back inside!
He's on the balcony right now.
Get back
He just
inside.
jumped off the balcony. He's on
got a gun.
He's in the dog park. He's got a gun.
Don't reach for it! Don't reach for it! Let it go!
He's got a gun in his hand.
Let it go! Let it go! Stop reaching for it! Stop reaching for it! Don't move!
All right, he's down in the dog park. He's not moving. He still has the gun in his hand. Appears. What time I go?
His arms behind his back. You want him on his side, Ed?
Yeah, let's roll him on his side. Let's just cuff him in the front.
Okay.